Okay, guys, here we are with Gabriel and his project Miata. Today we're gonna change our rear and front sway bars with some Racing Beat sway bars he bought recently. We're gonna put some new poly bushings and some new sway bar end links too. So this is just for when we're cornering, we can reduce body roll and things like that, and just improve the handling of the car. So here we are. We're gonna do the rear sway bars now.
Shut up, Goofy.
Take it to them, Gabriel.
Yeah, okay, buddy.
I have to sound fake like an NPC, bro.
No, Goofy, you're sounding too goofy.
I have to sound like that. I have to sound like the average blogger.
Okay, so these are the sway bars that I got from Racing Beat. Comes with the bushings to install. We also bought some new end links to replace the old ones on the car since it's 35 years old.
And Goofy.
What?
Your car's Goofy.
Okay.
Yeah, buddy.
I had to take him because he doesn't have a car.
Shut up. Yeah, let's go. Look at you.
What?
There's all scratches on your body.
That's your fault.
It's not me.
Alright, we should do like why you would want a sway bar.
Okay, so the reason why you want a sway bar or a bigger one from your original factory anti-roll bar is just for cornering. When in track, when you're going at these high velocities and speed, your body's gonna tend to roll, which you don't want.
So how sway bar works is they are connected on the opposite. They're connected to, wait, what is this called? Like the control arm?
The lower control, each opposite of each lower control arm suspension to stiffen the chassis.
So when you turn, obviously you're putting load on the
Control arms.
outside tire.
Yeah.
So when you turn, the outside tire gets all the load. But however, the sway bars, they move that load to the other tire to help even it out, so you don't get as much body roll during the turns.
That's a very great explanation, actually. They don't even teach me that in my own class.
Alright, so first up, we have to remove the old ones, so let's go do that now. Okay. So once you undo these links here, and once you unscrew these
bushing bolts.
bushing bolts, yeah.
You want to pull it. You do it on both sides. You pull it out. If the car has just been running, be very careful. Pull it out just like this, very carefully. And it's gonna be take a little finesse. You pull it out just like that. And they come right out. Okay, so Gabriel's gonna explain to you why we're doing this.
So once you have it all out and you're ready to put the new one in, you're going to want to use this polyurethane grease. It comes with the sway bars. So you put it inside here, and you make sure try to use a glove because it's very sticky and
tacky.
Yeah. And yeah, just try to get it all in both of them. And the purpose for this is to make to reduce like any noise. Goofy, you're not even recording it.
It is recording.
Yeah, you're recording the floor. And then for the Racing Beat ones, you want to reuse the clamps from the old one. So you make sure to don't throw those away. So once you have them on like that, you could start putting them back in and screwing it down.
I don't know which ones are for those. That's the thing.
You're supposed to put a nut, Goofy. You didn't even read the instructions.
Oh, I have to put a nut in those?
After you get the sway bar in, you just want to loosely put these back on. These go on the outside of this little stopper here in the middle. And yeah, after that, you're gonna want, before you put, if you get new end links, before you put them in, you try to put, we're just gonna put them at the stock size of the other end links, the stock end links for now. Okay, so after we attach these end links, you don't want to tighten it all the way. We're gonna tighten that after you drop it down. So yeah, now onto the front.
Hey y'all, so this is Ryan here. Here we're looking at our sway bars, right? Gabriel put the bottom links, so when we're doing it for the front and bottom, you want to do the bottom part first and tighten it slightly. And then once you're done, you have to put the sway bar. Also, when we took out the sway bar, it was extremely difficult. The sway bar was along here. We had to first unscrew it, take out the bushings, and take out the left end link. So very hard to process because this guy didn't record it.
Yeah, because I was working on it.
He's a bum, right? Like I am too. I can't be speaking.
Yeah.
Okay, buddy. And so we took out the sway bar. It's over there. It's on the old one. And now we're putting the new one, and now we're gonna put the new sway bar. We'll cut to it when that happens.
Alright, so here is how the new sway bar, the front one, looks all put together. So remember, these end links you don't want to tighten all the way. It's gonna be tough for us to put it on the ground and then torque it, so we're gonna use the jack stands to put it on the control arms, so it puts the load. These you torque it to 12 foot-pounds, same on the front and the back. And yeah, so we're gonna do that right now. Okay. Buddy's struggling to even get under the car.
Shut up. It's very slowly.
Okay, so what did we do wrong?
Shut up. We did nothing wrong.
Like what we did earlier in the video, same thing. But instead of just putting it in, you have to adjust it to make it go in smoothly without any, without forcing it in. So just like this, you're gonna adjust these left and right until it goes in evenly on both sides. So once it goes in evenly like that, where you don't have to like force it in or anything, that's how you know you have it good. And then you just tighten it back up, and you just tighten these two like that.
Okay, so right now we're testing out the new sway bar links.
You could like feel the difference. It's very noticeable. When you turn, you could just like, the car responds instantly almost. So when you're turning, it's much more, how do I say?
Responsive.
Yeah, responsive.
The handling is so much better. The true test is tomorrow on track. If he can go higher, test the limits of this car, we did good. But overall, we've made a lot of good feel. Like right now, in a minute, we'll show you how it is just comparatively compared to before.